Here's my Thunderbird project. To start, switch 9 all the way to the left is my idle state, which I realize now idle state isn't really a state, and that it's just like all blanked out, but I already made a whole idle state, so we're just gonna go with it. So go to the right section to trigger the right, left, and hazard. Switch 0. That triggers right. Switch 1 is my hazards. And then switch 2 triggers left. Then for the frequency change, key 1 speeds it up. That's left sped up. This is my hazard sped up. There's normal, just to show the difference. Sped up, normal. And then my right state, normal, sped up. And then you can also speed up my idle state, but it's just LEDs, so yeah, not that crazy. Just a heads up, when you look at my state machine, all states are accessible from every other state, so it's a little convoluted, but I have a more basic drawing. Thank you for watching.